Hey everyone! Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create an AI avatar that looks like this. So with further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. If you are new and just found this channel, please click subscribe and like this video. It will boost my new channel and also it will be a motivation to do more like this type of content. I hope you will. Okay, first things first, have you ever wanted to create a realistic AI avatar that just looks just like this? I don't her name. If you name her name, then mentions in comment and let me know. To create an avatar like this, first we will have to log into Discord. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it in just 2 simple steps. Step 1, first, you need to create an account in Discord and create a server. This is really easy to do, and you can create a server for anything you want, whether it's for gaming, chatting with friends, or creating a community around a shared interest of yours, okay, whatever. Let's first create an account in Discord. After you've created an account, then create server. Once you've created your server, the next step is to add the Midjourney bot. This is a really cool bot that can help you create realistic AI avatars, and it's perfect for creating a person lookalike. Step 2. To create this avatar, you'll need a carefully crafted prompt. Don't worry, I'll put the prompt in the description below, so you can check it out and use it for yourself. Once you have the prompt, simply follow the instructions on the screen to create your avatar. Okay, I'll be typing like this. In a professional blue dress, attire plus medium shot plus photos taken by Sony, sharpen, details, professional lighting, photography lighting, realistic, highlight, 1000 8K V4AR 16:9. After you have entered the prompt, then click enter. Then bot will process the prompt to create a picture. Wait for a few seconds. Once the bot processed your prompt, it will come with a beautifully crafted pictures like this. Choose your favorite one by clicking this buttons. Let's suppose I go with you too. After I click the button, then again bot process that picture into this. And that's it. Use your prompt crafted avatar ready. Similarly, you can change the attire and looks by just changing the prompt here. With better results, do it on your own ideas. And that's it. You now have a realistic AI avatar that looks just like her. By the way, don't forget to mention her name in the comments, okay? Creating a realistic AI avatar has never been easier, thanks to Midjourney and Discord. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your browser. So go ahead and create your own lookalike avatar and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Dish You Minds AI for more fun and AI videos like this one.